CETAPHIL Advanced Relief Lotion with Shea Butter. Advanced Relief Formula fortifies the skin barrier to retain moisture over time and completely restore it over time. Replenishes with 4,8-HOUR Hydration. Nourishing Lotion with 9 moisturizers is clinically proven to lock in moisture to continuously hydrate and protect sensitive skin from dryness. Reveals Skin Radiance. Deeply hydrating formula visibly enhances skin texture and luminosity. New and improved ingredient blend. Now with hydrating glycerin and skin essential vitamins B5, panthenol, and B3, niacinamide. Developed for even the most sensitive skin. The hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic formula is free of parabens and fragrance. Top reviews from the United States. Great for my eczema. One of the best lotions I've found to lock in moisture after a shower. My eczema-prone skin is happy. Works absolute best when you add a layer of mineral oil on top.